Questions about HVAC valves. 1. What are the different types of HVAC valves? 2. What are the main functions of HVAC valves? 3. How do I troubleshoot a faulty HVAC valve? 4. How do I replace an HVAC valve? 5. How do I maintain my HVAC valves? Here are some brief answers to these questions. 1. What are the different types of HVAC valves? There are many different types of HVAC valves, but the most common types include ball valves, butterfly valves, globe valves, check valves, relief valves. Each type of valve has its own specific function and is designed for use in different applications. For example, ball valves are commonly used to isolate sections of pipe, butterfly valves are commonly used to regulate airflow, and globe valves are commonly used to regulate water flow. 2. What are the main functions of HVAC valves? HVAC valves are used to control the flow of air, water, and refrigerant in HVAC systems. They can be used to isolate sections of pipe, regulate flow, shut off flow completely, prevent backflow, and protect systems from overpressure. 3. How do I troubleshoot a faulty HVAC valve? If you suspect that an HVAC valve is faulty, there are a few things you can do to troubleshoot the problem. Check the valve for signs of damage or wear and tear. Try operating the valve manually to see if it is moving freely. Use a stethoscope to listen for any unusual noises coming from the valve. If you are unable to troubleshoot the problem yourself, call an HVAC professional for assistance. 4. How do I replace an HVAC valve? Replacing an HVAC valve is a relatively simple task, but it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Here are some general steps involved in replacing an HVAC valve. Shut off the flow of water or refrigerant to the valve. Disconnect the valve from the pipe. Remove the old valve and install the new valve. Reconnect the valve to the pipe. Turn on the flow of water or refrigerant to the valve. Check for leaks. 5. How do I maintain my HVAC valves? To maintain your HVAC valves, it is important to inspect them regularly for signs of damage or wear and tear. You should also lubricate the moving parts of the valves periodically. If you notice any problems with your HVAC valves, call an HVAC professional for assistance. I hope this information is helpful. Please check video description for much more.